Sorry, y'all. For some reason, it timed out earlier. That was weird. Okay, so then the next thing I got was the Too Faced Christmas Coffee Palette. Again, here's the thing. There's certain things in the makeup industry I don't agree with, and a lot of it is represented in this brand, to be honest. But what I do love is the attention to detail on packaging. It's always cute, so it's easy to gift, and they always do the little scent things like peach. Actually, I think peaches didn't smell like peach, but anyway. There are other brands that I like their actual product better, but I love this packaging better. Is that the cutest? It's a little gingerbread in a coffee cup with whipped cream and crinkles, and all the names are about that. It says Cool Whip, Warm Me Up, Cinnamon Chai, that's not even funny. That's the kind of thing I'm talking about. Holly SH asterisk T. Brewed to full, slow roasted, candy cane latte, and Christmas coffee. Just stuff like that. Also, there's a lot of sexual innuendo in the brand that is not what I agree with. And I mean a lot of it. So, I mean, their mascara is better than sex mascara. So I'm like, why are you encouraging young people in this way? It's not a good thing. So anyway, it just bothers me. Anyway, I'm going to fix to do a tutorial because I really do love the colors. I love that it's got a true white, that it's got a good buff color, and that it's got a dark, dark brownish red. And it's got some Christmassy colors. It's kind of a green blue, a beautiful burgundy. I don't like that everybody thinks you have to have an orangey brown now, I guess because of Kim Kardashian. And those two right there are very orangey, so I'm going to have to use this. That's actually very orangey, so I'm going to have to go that, and then use these for color. It does have a nice mirror, and it is metal packaging, which I like. Some people hate that. They think it's cheap. I bet you it's actually more expensive, to be honest. Okay, and so then I got some things for, what do you call? Wait, I did buy one more thing. I didn't get this for free. You get for free stuff. This is Perfect Strokes Mascara Universal by Rare Beauty. That is Selena's brand. And Rare Beauty, and I think that's true because she is a rare beauty. She's had a rough time. Of course, anybody that was the girlfriend of Justin Bieber, just, you know, so in the spotlight. But so is she. I mean, she's a big star on her own. All of them childhood Disney people. Anyway, so this is her mascara, and when I do that tutorial, I'm also going to use this mascara and see what is the hype. Because they say that it is like one of the best, not waterproof, but water resistant, which it's not the same thing, but I've just been told, oh, you got to try this product, you got to try this product. And Sephora even said, yeah, if you're looking for that, this is the one you want. And I'm like, do you not know of any waterproof mascaras in your whole store? Know your brand's better. I can't believe there's no other in that whole store that was no waterproof mascara. But they are not like Ulta. They don't carry the low end. They only carry high end. So they don't have things like Revlon and L'Oreal and the drugstore brands, or even some department store brands they don't carry. But some they do that Ulta doesn't, like, they carry Chanel fragrance. They don't carry Chanel makeup yet. But they carry, like, Dior and, who do they have? Marc Jacobs, and other really high-end ones.